You're small, broke, and hungry, so follow me in the grocery store and I'll fix your life real quick. All right, come on, let's go.
I love getting naked.
Wow.
Get your mind out of the gutter.
It's the wrong way.
Get your mind out of the gutter.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna start off with some greens here. Look at this shit. This is not a budget, but it's just good. This is like $6. Oh, it's on sale. It's, yeah, $6 instead of $6.50. Shout out Hannaford. This shit's gas, though. Get your greens in for sure. It's got all this shit in it. I want to get like the powdered green. Pass all this bullshit. We don't want this. Definitely don't want any of this. Holy fuck. Now that you tortured yourself, past that aisle. Oh, I need sausage. I might switch it up. I might switch up my sausage here. Cajun smoked sausage. Yeah, usually I get that one, but yeah, I need some meats. I need some beef. I need some mac and cheese and beef. For ground beef, I'm a broke fucking college student, so I go with the 80-20 down here. Hannaford is pretty good prices on the beef. Let's see, I'm gonna go with probably this 2.5 pounds. Seems pretty solid. 1136 Rome. It's 1.5 pounder. It's pound for the burgers.
It brought so many memories. That spot. See, Dino Nug.
I used to eat the dino nuggets like crazy. Go down to the bread, get some tortillas. There we go. $3. Oh shit. 210. 6 grams of protein. And then bagels. Is it everything bagels right here? 270, 10 grams of protein. That's pretty goated.
Some problem that we get to forget it.
That's good that we forget it. Ooh. All right, eggs. Give me the fucking eggs. Where are they at? He's gone. I lost him. Oh, there you are. What the fuck?
Sorry.
You a jump scare or a random? Oh shit. You know, I got a H-team out here. Insert. Okay, boom. I just want to yeah, this is deadly right here. I need fuck do I need? Oh, sour cream and cheese. You need the fatty milk, you need the whole milk. Get some sour cream here. Oh, it's on sale type shit. Or quesadillas. Some beef quesadillas. I have rice too for some beef fried rice with egg. Maximize protein type shit. And now we're gonna grab some cheese for the quesadillas. Right here, we're gonna grab two of these Mexican style blends here. Oh, yes, sir. Oh shit. How big is it? Or how much is that? 7? It's like big ass, like
Size does not matter.
size doesn't matter on that. That's like, fuck is that? Tropicana Essentials Fresh Orange Taste? Is that fake shit? It looks disgusting. It looks like it's been there for years. Oh, peanut butter cookies. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Little dirty bulk? Oh, shit. You need to get cancer. Little crumb cake? Nah. He's dirty bulk and he's thinking about it. You're cooked. You're cooked. He's cooked. Nah, low-key donuts? Fuck, like these are tough. Nah, I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, frozen fruits. Oh, frozen strawberries. Yo. Oh, wait. Yo, fruit blend. Strawberries, peaches, and bananas. That's actually not bad. I'm gonna get this. Veggie smoothie blend. Berry kale spinach. Ooh, and then I can mix it with this? Oh, we might be goated here. This is not bad. It's on sale. Word. We're just buying shit. Let's go. What did you find? No, he's getting the Uncrustables. You lazy fuck. 50. Oh my god.
I've never seen a 15.
That's a 15er for $12.50 right there. This lazy fuck can't make a PB&J.
Bro, I have it.
He has been.
But now they're trying to like provide all these things for like. So that I'm not like that is. Supposed to have a thing.
Don't do it. Don't do it. I'd rather you buy that crumb cake than those Uncrustables, to be honest. Oh, yes, they have them. You know how to say this?
Oh not a big son, just a dumb man.
No, try to say that. Bro. I know how to say it. Look how white I am, bro. They gotta have hash browns somewhere. Oh, you just found them. You turned it off.
Have I been even talking this whole time? I know I did in the beginning.
No, I think didn't you just hit the button right now? And you
I couldn't see if I was hitting the button.
Oh shit.
That's why I looked that way.
You probably did.
Oh, all right. Well, hey, if I'm just now talking for the first time in the video.
Yo. Let's go over here to get mac and cheese. Here we go. 67 cents. Yes, sir. That's what we need. I think I'm good, yeah. I think I'm good. That was breakfast and lunch. Let's go check ourselves out. I gotta piss. What? What is he doing? Oh, he's doing dips on the cart. Wait, that's low key. That's maxing. Eggs are fucking expensive as shit. Here we go. Total. Oh, what the fuck? What happened? Your pour? What the fuck? Oh, you know, you gotta hit.
I didn't have to do that with cash.
Come on, man. Yeah. Oh, sir, copper one of these.
I we're out that bitch.
I think in total for everything that I bought, it was like 57 or something. But yeah. But I bought two things were in a split. That wasn't even like for the meals. I bought a bunch of random shit too. Is it rolling? Hello? All right, join the Discord. Links in the description. Like the video, subscribe, get bigger type shit. This is how to book on a budget. The bags are so